2025 is quite literally your last year to make stupid money. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your last year to make your dollar, and a fast one too. I'm going to tell you exactly why that is and give you guys reasons why you should focus on the industries I'm going to tell you to focus on in this video, and why the last video I released was probably the best trade of your life, and that's this one, Marathon Holdings. Last video was at $90.20. Bitcoin today just tested the 100,000 mark per Bitcoin, and the S&P 500 has reversed and now is showing signs that it wants to continue. So why is this year your last year to make stupid gains? By the way, this is how the S&P is going to go. And you can see right here, 6,500. So by the time it gets to 6,500, Bitcoin is probably sitting at 150,000 a coin. And there's a lot of things happening, guys. So pay very close attention. Look, the S&P 500, we know since 2024, from here to here, that's a 20% or 23% gain overall on the S&P 500. To a lot of people, that's like, wow, it has never happened throughout history. Of course it has, right? It actually happened in 2021. From here, 2020 to 2021, during the C word virus, we went up by 50%. And then crash, followed by recovery. And from that recovery period to this, we're only up 27% or so. So there's a lot more. If we're comparing this to 2020, there's a lot more. There's at least 13% left for the S&P 500 to gain. That's more than enough. But here's why this could be even a bigger monstrous year for the stock market. Ready? Well, this rally was as a result of companies rebounding, after this crash, after this bear market from here to here. And they're rebounding. Earnings are good. Inflation is coming down. Interest rates are being cut. New industries kicked in. Data centers, AI. All of that drove this rally right here. What do you think drove that other than that? So what's going to drive this all the way to the top? Well, policy, guys. The big P. Policy is like a new groundbreaking thing for the whole world, for the markets, for the economy. And policy, this policy that's coming, I've never seen it in the world, guys. I've never seen it before. Donald Trump is coming on January 20th. Whether you like him or not, it's none of your business, none of my business, right? The fact is, whoever lives in the U.S. is about to feel the policy change. And you're already feeling it, matter of fact, in your pockets. Your U.S. dollar is the strongest, or is becoming one of the strongest currencies once again, even though it's backed by so much debt. Inflation, look, you look at U.S. dollar is outperforming a lot of currencies today. And then you've got this new president of yours, Donald Trump, saying, well, I'm going to make U.S. capital of Bitcoin. So this new industry of Bitcoin, number one, that's one industry that's going to contribute to this growth right here, this upcoming growth, followed by policy. So I'm going to put P, which is policy, and then B, Bitcoin, and I'm going to put the F, Federal Reserve cuts. So, in my opinion, this is your last year to see this. And then after that, things become a little bit sluggish because everybody's looking at it and it's like, wow, it's all-time high. I'm scared. So you might get this, some sort of pullbacks, corrections. But if you're going to invest, it's now. If you're going to buy anything, it is now. The first 2 months of 2025. And after that, I don't know what will happen. Okay? I genuinely don't know, because we don't, as a trader, I'm not looking at the future that long. I'm looking at short term. And I know short term, that alone, just the hype, I guess not even hype, it is real, like what's coming is real, it's not hype. I guess the fact this will happen, and a lot of traders are seeing it and anticipating it, the markets are just going to continue higher. So if you're looking to make a buck, this is your chance. Now, where are you going to invest your money? Like I said Federal Reserve, and I said Bitcoin, and I said policy. So here's, like I said yesterday, or the previous video, we said Marathon Digital Holdings is a mining company. And I'll leave the video in the comment section. And I know Bitcoin is now at 110. And you notice out of all these companies, Bitcoin is outperforming once again, or anything related to Bitcoin. So I think that's going to be the industry that takes the market to a new high. So listen, guys, AI is the only thing that's scaring investors. You know, AI hype. Like, will the chip manufacturing stocks like Nvidia slow down? Cool. If they slow down, they'll be replaced by the Bitcoin sector. Because Bitcoin sector, I think, or the crypto sector, it's going to catch on, and it's going to push the S&P and the Nasdaq even higher. And I don't think we've seen enough. Like Coinbase, MicroStrategy, these mining stocks, I think they're going to have their best at least 6 months from now. At least. I mean, I don't know, guys, if 2025, all of it is going to be a monstrous rally, because it could really happen where the whole year is like even better than 2024. Because of policy, and a lot of things are coming month after month to push the market higher. So that's one thing that's going to keep the market happy for a while. And then after that, earnings will kind of come out to show themselves one more time, and that's what investors are going to be looking at. But even then, like I said, even if some stocks start running flat, like Nvidia, that's for a while has been carrying the markets, I think Bitcoin and everything related to Bitcoin is just going to keep pushing the market higher. And that will replace whatever money flowing from these stocks. It will go into these stocks. And your best bet, the best trade of 2025 is going to be on the big B right here for Bitcoin. Anything related to that. Because I know you've seen 2024 and you thought it's over, it's done. I don't think so. I think this is going to be the year for it. Okay, I think we're just getting started. And again, like I said, it all depends on Bitcoin and where it goes from here. But appreciate you guys for watching. I just wanted to inspire you. Make sure you guys are happy and confident going into this year, because the truth is, I might tell you they're going to be, or anybody will tell you, hey, there might be a correction coming or whatever. Nobody knows. It all depends on the economy. If the economy says something other than what the charts are saying, then this can go on and on and on and on and on. It doesn't matter. This can go on for years. The markets can remain expensive, if it's expensive, for years. And it has been for a while, because the markets are always betting on the future. The markets are not betting on the here and now. They're betting on the future, and the future looks promising for the US. And what we're trading is the US market. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.